Hi guys, I'm Niko Frida to show you something. Here goes.
It's too close, Nick.
I'm gonna go in TV. I'm gonna go in the TV. That kind of looks like book noise. Look, I'm gonna go to the TV. And Animal Planet. See? You see? You see? Do you see?
Did you see it?
And Michael, Nino did it, and it's on Animal Planet, so you can go there, but it's too late. But it's really nice. Nino did it to me. So when the first time Nino told me, I said I'm rich. I'm rich. Here's again. Make it louder. You see that? Do you see that? But I'm gonna say bye, so bye everybody. It's a picture frame.
Stop na. Stop. Patingin mo.
Bye! I love you, Mama. I hope you're not sick.
Stop mo na, anak.